If you're dealing with a dishwasher that isn't draining properly or is leaving residue behind, a clogged or dirty hose might be the culprit. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you on how to clean dishwasher hose so you can get your dishwasher back to working as efficiently as possible. First, let's go over why this is important. The drain hose is responsible for carrying out waste and water from the dishwasher to your plumbing. Over time, food particles, grease, and other debris can build up in the hose, leading to poor drainage, foul odors, or even backflow of dirty water. Knowing how to clean dishwasher hose is key to maintaining a fresh-smelling and smooth-running dishwasher. Here's what you'll need to get started: a bucket or towel to catch water, a screwdriver to remove clamps, a long flexible brush, and a solution of warm water and mild detergent or white vinegar. It's also helpful to wear gloves, since you may be dealing with some food residue. To start, turn off the power to your dishwasher at the breaker to ensure safety while working. Next, locate the dishwasher drain hose, usually found either connected to your sink drain or garbage disposal. If your dishwasher is built in, you might need to slide it out slightly to access the hose from behind. Once you've found it, place a bucket or towel under the hose to catch any remaining water. Now, loosen the clamps holding the hose in place, using your screwdriver, and carefully detach it from the dishwasher and the drain connection. Take your time here, as some water will likely spill out. After removing the hose, you're ready for the main step on how to clean dishwasher hose. Run warm water through the hose to help loosen any debris. Then, using a flexible brush, gently scrub the inside of the hose, moving the brush back and forth to dislodge any buildup. If the clog is stubborn, you can soak the hose in a mixture of warm water and vinegar for about 15 minutes to help break down grease or hardened food particles. Once the hose is clear, rinse it thoroughly with clean water to remove any cleaning residue. After cleaning, reattach the hose by connecting it back to the dishwasher and the sink or garbage disposal, securing it tightly with the clamps. Be sure everything is fitted properly to avoid any leaks. Once the hose is securely reconnected, turn the power back on and run a short cycle on your dishwasher without any dishes to ensure it's draining correctly. Regularly checking and cleaning your dishwasher hose, especially every few months, can prevent clogs and keep your dishwasher performing at its best. Now that you know how to clean dishwasher hose, you'll be able to maintain it more easily and avoid potential drainage issues in the future. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any other dishwasher-related questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Proper maintenance goes a long way in keeping your appliances running smoothly.